open towards you.
Stepping into the world of fire rescue, Hilton and Island Fire Rescue is at Hilton and Island Middle School, working with 8th grade students through its STEM in the Fire Service program. The hands-on experience gives students a first-hand look at the science, technology, engineering, and math behind emergency response.
They've seen fire trucks before and they see the flashy lights and the sirens, but now understanding how they work and what each person in the fire service does. It's not just 4 people on a fire truck anymore. Teaching them and just showing them how we use math and how we use science to combat friction loss in the hoses. The technology nowadays with the trucks we use is excellent, and just they have to know how to use it. So they get to see what our job's like, and we get to show them how the skills we learned in school when they're in position, how we use it on everyday life and everyday skills.
During this session, students are rotating through several hands-on stations, putting their math and science skills to work.
They understood that the water came out of the ground through a hydrant, into a hose, into a truck, and then from that truck out the other end of the hose. And we had to show them that, like with friction, the water as it travels through that hose creates a lot of friction. We have to combat that with generating a lot of pressure behind it. And they got to see it firsthand. They realized it's not just as simple as pushing a button, that there's calculations that they have to use to create that.
The students are excited to open up a fire hydrant and grab a hose.
The fire hose, it was fun because, the pressure of it like made it a struggle. So like it was challenging, and I feel like that's fun because I like challenges.
The big hose was like fun because it was like very powerful and it like blasted you back. It felt like someone was like pulling you back kind of.
My favorite one was when we had to blow the water out of the hose coming from the truck. The water was strong at the start. You could like feel the water coming through the hose, and like you can feel the vibrations in your arm.
This is the 3rd year Hilton and Island Fire Rescue has teamed up with the school to offer the 6-session program to students in a Project Lead the Way Intro to Careers class. During each session, students learn about STEM in the fire service through classroom discussions as well as hands-on activities.
Anytime we get an opportunity with the fire rescue to interact with the community at every age level, from elementary school or from even daycare, preschool, all the way up through high school. And this is an excellent opportunity. We like to be involved, come out and interact with the community and with the students, and then we get to answer their questions of curiosity.
The program wraps up with a field trip to the 911 call center, a fire station, and the firefighter training facility, giving students a complete look at how emergency teams work together. At Hilton and Island Middle School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.